you can see the smoke coming out.
Mmm. Mmm.
Yummy?
Yeah.
Yummy?
Very nice.
Nice?
Mmm.
Mama,
Normally,
look.
mm, normally I'm using only Parmesan cheese. This time I use another cheese, like the cheddar cheese. But it's nice, amazing.
It is amazing.
Mm.
I just want to
I love Parmesan cheese. When I do my spaghetti or pasta, I always put loads of Parmesan cheese.
I want to get a check.
I hope you like my recipe today.
Yeah, you click the down below if you hasn't.
Bye.
Bye. Bye.
Hello guys, good afternoon and happy Sunday. So happy Mother's Day to all mothers out there, and also for their single dad, happy Mother's Day. So today I'm gonna make pasta. So the ingredients that we'll be using are, I'm using this one, macaroni, it's a macaroni, long ones. So I'm using this. It says macaroni, and I'm gonna cut, I have cut small chunk of sausage. I have used 3 sausage and then cut into small pieces. And I have a chopped onion and finely chopped garlic. And I'm using this pasta sauce. 1 bottle of pasta sauce. Of course, I'm using olive oil and cheddar cheese. Normally for my pasta, I'm always using only Parmesan, but at the moment I'm out, so I'm just using what I have in the fridge. So I have here cheddar cheese. I have shredded this one. So right now here, this is my, I have prepare boiling water for my pasta. So I think it's boiling now. In here I have put salt and 1 teaspoon of oil. The reason why I'm putting oil, it's because it doesn't stick to each other, the pasta. So they don't stick each other. So I'm putting it here. I'm gonna use all of this one packet, because anyway I can still make another, we can have it again later, maybe by tomorrow. So it's okay. So now cover it. So last week in my daughter's class, they were being tasked to make chain, a necklace, or bracelet out of the pasta. So look what my daughter made. Ta-da! She made this out of the pasta.
Yeah, it was taking me hard work, but Mama helped me.
So it takes a lot of hard work, yeah?
And I was making a dice.
So now, can I cook this one?
No.
She doesn't want me to cook this one, guys, so just put it back. So anyway, that was her task by last week for the online class. So now, let's start cooking our pasta sauce. Now our pan is heated up. We have to put our olive oil. And after this, we have to put our onion, garlic. Then we put our chopped onion. For this also, you can also add mushroom or any vegetable you prefer for your pasta. But this time, I'm just doing it plain. So I just have to add for this pasta, I just add on the garlic and the onion. Garlic and onion, yes. You have to saute this until the onion gets translucent. So it will be about 1 to 2 minutes. After this, we have to add our I have minced beef. I'm using beef. I have washed this one. So we have to brown our minced beef before we put our pasta sauce. And now we can put our sausage. And put our pasta sauce. So we have to add little water in here. And then mix it well. So this is not like in Philippine flavor that it's sweet. So no, and this one also, this is Dubai brand. It says like original Italian recipe pasta sauce. Because my husband also doesn't eat sweet pasta or sweet spaghetti. So I'm not using the Del Monte from Philippines because those are sweets. So on this, they just simmer this like 10 minutes. So the sausage and the mince gets cooked. Anyway, the mince doesn't require so much time because they are mince. It's just easily to cook. But the sausage and all those gravy, we have to simmer those for 10 minutes. Our pasta is already cooked, so we have to drain this. This is cooked. So now we have to add just half 1 teaspoon of sugar. The reason why I'm adding this one into it because so it will neutralize the acidity from the tomato. So but I'm not adding salt, so just the sugar. It will balance. So after this, I have to put cheese. This is Philippine cheese because I don't have a parmesan. After this, you just have to mix Mix it properly. Mix nicely.
I'm here.
Yes, my daughter is here. See? So then again, we have to simmer this for another 1 to 2 minutes.
Mama, you fall this one.
Yes.
Give it on my head.
So
my
now-
beautiful head.
Oh, so nice. Nice color.
I love this
So
smell.
now our pasta sauce is ready. Now we can do our plating. So now this is my pasta.
But be careful. First let it dry. You can see the smoke coming out.
So
Please like and subscribe.